By the end of this lecture, students will able to add background music, upload their own audios, record voiceovers, add Islamic nasheed, adjust volume, apply fade in, fade out, sync audio with videos. Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my Canva master classes. Today's lecture number 14. In today's lecture, we are going to explore Canva audio tool. Audio is one of the most important element of any video. Before it create emotion, improve engagement, and make content look more professional. By the end of this lecture, you will know how to add music, voiceover, nasheed, adjust volume, create smooth fade effects. So firstly, I will tell you what is audio. Audio is a sound that plays along with the video. Okay, in Canva, we can add background music, voiceover, nasheed, sound effects. Why we use audios to increase viewer engagement, create emotions, improve storytelling, make videos more professional, keep viewer watching longer. So, firstly open Canva. Okay, now I will tell you how many types of audios are in Canva. There are many types of audios, like YouTube video audio, Instagram Reel promotion audios, presentations. Voiceover useful for tutorial, online courses, product demonstration, educational values. So, step number 1, open Canva. Create a new video design. I'll choose Instagram Reel. Step number 2. From the left panel, click on Apps and scroll down. Click on Audios, Apps, then Audios. Step number 3. You can here search for music, background, beat, vocals, and a sheet. These all are in Canva that we can use. Okay? Step number 4. Click the audio. It will automatically appear on your timeline. Let me select my audio. Vocals. Okay. So I will select this one. It is automatically appear on my timeline. So press play to preview it. Think up in here was okay. Move the audio clip and trim begin the end of if it is unnecessary, like I have done. Okay. Now matter number 2 is adding a voiceover. Okay. Now I will select and delete this. Now we will add the voiceover. How? Firstly, we will do all elements, videos. From here we will select one video. Okay, simple videos. Just to tell you how to add voiceover. You can go on apps, audio, record video. So now we will add voiceover. Where it is gone? Apps, audio, recorder. Okay. Allow this time and Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I will show you the mountains, the greenery, etc. Oh, the voiceover recording feature is currently unavailable. Please regular. Oh, this feature is not available right now. Why? Let's try again. Hello everyone, welcome back to my new video. Today I will show you the greenery, the beauty of Pakistan. So, as you are watching on screen, yes, thank you. This is how I have add the voiceover. Okay, same like this. You can adjust the volume of your voiceover. Click. I just need this part. You can add captions. Okay, fade in. Okay, or fade out if you want. Now, you can also split the audio by using split tool, and there are just divided into two parts. Okay, tip, keep background music sound around 10 to 15 using voiceover. Okay. Now I also tell how to do fade in and fade out. Audio timelines, you can move audio, trim audio, split audio, delete audio, which we already have done. And now real examples, Instagram Reel, add releasing background music, record a short voiceover, okay. Reduce music sound to 20%, apply a 2-second fade in and fade out, like I have done. The result is clean, professional and common mistakes. Background music is too loud, voiceover is too difficult to hear, no fade effect, poor audio, using copyright music without permission. Pro tips, keep voice volume between 90 to 100, keep background music 15 to 30, use fade in and fade out for smooth transition. Choose music that match your videos or audios that match with your videos. Always preview your entire video before explaining, like, let me preview. The greenery, the beauty of Pakistan. So, as you are watching on screen, let's, I think, again preview. Hello everyone, welcome back to my new video. Today I'll show you the greenery, the beauty of Pakistan. So, as you are watching on screen, so this design that we have created, I previewed. Okay? Now, practice assignment. Your video must include create a video of 30 seconds in Canva. Like I have baked a video from elements of Canva, you can also take and add background music, voiceover, volume adjustment, fade in and fade out. Quiz. These are some questions or some quiz to go. Where can you find audios in Canva? What are two types to add voiceovers? Why should you fade in and fade out? What is the recommendation of level for background music with voiceover? Why should you avoid copyright music? These are 5 quizzes that you will answer me in comment section. Lecture summary. Today we have learned how to add background music. You upload audios, record voiceovers, add a sheet, adjustment audio volume, apply fade in and fade out. In lecture number 15, we will learn backgrounds. Okay? So, Allah Hafiz. And if you have any confusion, let me know in the comment section. I'll also give the answers of my quiz. Allah Hafiz. See you in next lecture. Goodbye.